The idea of starting something new often comes with the fear of losing your freedom. You imagine long hours, endless learning curves, and a mountain of stress. And that's definitely not what you want. You've earned your time and you've earned your freedom, but you still need an income. The good news is there is a way to have both. A way to create something that doesn't steal your time. A way to build something once and have it working for you continuously. Knowing that you don't have to make an income by being tied to a desk. I completely changed my lifestyle in 2024 by working to a proven system where I make 100% profit. I am my own boss and the shop window of my business. I have an automated system that works for me in the background 24/7. And I can show you how you can do it exactly the same as I did, with a step-by-step training program, whereby you learn how to sell a digital product online. So if you would like further information, put ready in the comments and I'd gladly get back to you with all those details.